Yo, what's good? It's your boy Nick, aka Nick Says Go. Here with another video for you guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I talk about everything from grooming, style, home decor, and more. If you're a subscriber, if you've been riding with me all this time, I'm happy to see you back. It is a beautiful sunny Sunday morning. I gotta get myself together, get my day started, get myself ready to go hit the streets, go see some friends, do a little bit of photography later. But of course, if you know me, before any of that begins, I gotta take care of my skin, my face, my beard. I gotta get my grooming in order. So today, I have some new friends I want to introduce y'all to. We are talking about Patrol Grooming. They sent over none other than their drum roll, all-in-one kit. The Patrol Grooming all-in-one kit. This thing is beautiful. The packaging is outstanding. We have a nice little handle on the bottom, almost briefcase style. And when they say all-in-one kit, they really mean all-in-one kit. This thing has all of your essentials for bump care, bump patrol, skin care, and even everything down to taking care of your beard, right? Top to bottom, anything dealing with your face and your skin, they got you covered. It's only right that we go ahead and dig into the set. Let's see what we got. So popping this bad boy open, we have 11 items in here to choose from to get your routine going. First up on the list, we have some aftershave treatment. For all my brothers who do a little bit of shaving, y'all know I never shave my beard. I don't cut my beard, I don't cut my hair off. So I personally probably won't use that too much. Maybe after I get a haircut on my lineup. I think that'll be a good option for the brothers that don't really do any of their own shaving. But if you go get a weekly haircut, bi-weekly haircut, I'm gonna suggest you probably put some of that aftershave on your line, maybe under your neck, or if you get a fade, especially on the back of your head, I think that'll be great for that. We have the original aftershave treatment. The first one I showed you was max strength, but we have some original as well. We have some beard oil here. We also have some pre-shave oil, a little pre-treatment. We have some face wash. We have some moisturizer. Ooh, now we speaking my language right here. We have 2 different bars of soap. We got some charcoal, and then we got some Himalayan sea salt right there. I think that might be my favorite. Just looking at it already, that might be my favorite. Next up, we have some beard wash, always important. Some beard balm, keep your beard right. And last but not least, we have some cool shave gel here. As I said earlier, this is literally an all-in-one kit, top to bottom. Anything you need to take care of yourself, they got you. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna get into the skin and the beard routine. So for this video, I think what I'm gonna use is the bar soap, the shea butter, and the Himalayan salt one for sure. For my shower, I'm going to get into the face wash, gonna dig into the moisturizer, gonna get into the beard wash, and I'm gonna go with the beard oil today. So let me get up, let me get my routine started, and yeah, we'll talk about these products a little bit more. All right, y'all, just got out the shower, just dried off. Using the bar soap in the shea and Himalayan salt scent. And I gotta say, it smells outstanding, right? I was curious to see which side of the scent profile would kind of lean more toward, you know, the sea salt or the shea butter. Definitely leans more toward the shea butter, which I love. Nice, just like small, minimal hints of sea salt, and I'm a fan. So when I use bar soap, I think this might be my one right here. Huge fan of that. Next thing up on the list, you gotta wash your face. I normally don't wash my face in the shower. The water can be a little bit too hot for what I like for my face. I like to use warm water. Sometimes my showers are a little a little on the sizzling side. So a lot of the time I'll wait till I get out the shower or beforehand to wash my face. So let's get into that now. And of course, we are going to use the Skin Patrol face wash. Let's get into it. This face wash carries a sandalwood / citrus scent, which I think comes through just enough for you to really enjoy it while you're washing your face. You know, I don't really want the stuff that's too overpowering with the scent profiles, but it's just perfect. It feels good. A little bit of aromatherapy while you're washing your face. Y'all see how nicely it lathers with just like one nice little squeeze. If you want to go back and do a second one, you can, but just feeling my face right now, it feels clean. And now we off to the next step. No good skincare routine goes without a great moisturizer. So of course, next up, we're gonna use the Skin Patrol moisturizer here. Aloe vera, vitamin E, chamomile. I'm expecting it to feel very soothing on my face. And we're gonna find out in just a second. As we can see, the skin already has a nice little glow to it. Definitely feels moisturized and soft. Two of the main things I'm looking for with a moisturizer. I'm not mad at that. If you have a beard, your beard maintenance is just as important as your skincare. Don't take it for granted. Now, I'm really gonna wash my beard. We're gonna get into it with the Beard Patrol Beard Wash. I'm very curious about this one. It has a forest scent on it, and I love my woody earthy kind of scent. So let's get into it. I'm really gonna massage the beard super deep and kind of just go around in circles, same way I do my face, and I'm gonna get it nice and clean. Let's do it. Oh man, that is what we call a clean, refreshed beard. I'll tell you what, super soft. I can glide through it. It does have a nice earthy kind of woodsy smell to it. Like I told you, I enjoy it. Very earthy, very almost like a pine type scent. Feels amazing. My beard is clean, pretty straightforward on that front. Excellent beard wash. I'm not mad at that. After I wash my beard, I try not to wait too long to go ahead and moisturize it, whether it's a beard balm or a beard oil. Today, we're gonna use the beard oil. And I think my favorite thing about this, look at that bottom right there. What does that say? Cedarwood. Come on, man. I'm a cedarwood guy, sandalwood guy, anything in that family. I'm rocking with it 100%. And it's time to really get the beard nice and moisturized. After picking it out, and quick pro tip, I find my best results nowadays, I use an actual pick. I use a pick for my beard instead of a regular comb. Totally don't even touch combs anymore. One day I decided to just use like a regular pick, like a hair pick. Blows it out the water for me. My beard it just makes it look so much fuller. I should have been doing it. Now that I think about it, it sounds like common sense, but I just got hip to using the pick for my beard and I love it. So I use a pick. But now, even after picking it out, it just feels so much more full and just it's soft. The product really kind of worked its way through. Even got the smell a lot more once I picked it out. I can smell it right now, and it smells outstanding. So moisturized, we're shining, the beard looks nice and healthy. Highly recommend. Look, final verdicts. I love Patrol Grooming. I've used the moisturizer, the beard wash, the face wash, the beard oil, and the bar soap. I love all of it. Everything smells great. It does what it's supposed to do. It does what it says it's gonna do. I think the price points are outstanding, whether you get the full kit or just even buy the items you want individually. And another drum roll. You can use my promo code NICK15. Save some bucks at checkout. Go to patrolgrooming.com, find what you like, tell them I sent you, and as always, enjoy and stay blessed. I'll see y'all next time.